This story begins with my mother, her bird, at the graveyard visiting her grandmother, making dua. She came home that day saying, Tariq, the bird is acting sketched out, weird. Here we go, we are going to the graveyard to visit our grandmother and make dua for her.
I'm scoping out the scene. Oh, saw the way he looked up and down?
Yeah.
Look, his eyes are...
Exactly. Her behavior just changed. Now she's not... Now she ain't so funny anymore.
She's looking all around.
I'm getting creeped out right now.
Weird.
Watch out for the grave.
What happened? Tripping. She's not acting cool anymore.
Yeah, she was having fun earlier. Now she's uncomfortable. How tight is the grip on your hand?
She's very uncomfortable.
Does she have a tight grip? Oh, she's getting scared.
Oh, here. She's tripping.
Yeah, she is looking now.
Screams. She's looking down.
Oh my
Is that what you heard?
Alright, we're leaving and she is ready to leave. Go ahead. Look at her. She wants to go in the car, dude. She's gone, bro. She outie. She is outie. Take me home.
Happy.
Take me home, she said.
Yeah, you want to leave.